file.
Mina sisibenza indifuna ucela iGPV.
Yebo bhuti.
Ifuna sizise uthando, sithanda abafazi bethu, sithanda abantwana bethu. Because I know kunhlangana nomnye usisi emsebenzini lokekhala ehlala nomsisi kanti ehlukunyezwa indoda yakhe. Indoda yawuhola ayibuyi ayizinye izinto. So into sifuna uzisa singa madoda selezandla sithanda abafazi bethu, sithanda abantwana yaye sithembeke ebantwini. Nasebantwaneni bethu ngantombazana amadoda akasathenjwa because sirape abantwana bethu. Sifuna uzisa lonto ukuthi iGPV sibe ngamadoda athanda abantwana bethu njengabafundisi bethu nabafazi bethu. Sibe nothando siphuhlisa uthando kakhulu siyouth yanamhlanje.
Uthando lona ongaphoza ushintsho kuyo yonke lento. I absolutely agree with you, Bab. And uyazi mfundisi what you said also about ukuthi this thing, it starts with the way a person thinks, upbringing and all of that. And I think that's quite interesting because manje ngale March enizobeniyenza nge-19, including the program and all of that, these are the things that you're going to be tackling. You're going to be speaking to young men and sort of helping them reprogram ingqondo zabo. Because I mean, lento injenge-addiction. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe a man will be in a relationship and then be abusive to his partner. But at the end of the day, masakabuya kuye axolisa, he's really sorry. But then manje, in that moment, he felt that he needed to do whatever he did. So it's a matter of, you know, they don't want to do this thing. Kodwa khona something eba pushayo ukuthi bayenze. So manje, if they're able to come to him and also get that information that will equip them to be stronger and better men, that is amazing. I love what you're doing for the community. Sabonga kakhulu.
Enkosi kakhulu mama. And then kakhulu nabo mama babangacinga nabo ibe ko mama ngoko. Bayazi lento intoba there is life after abuse.
Yes.
And ungakwazi ukuphuma kule abusive relationship okuyo uzimele. Because enye into esibanayo mothi uyajonga abantu aba-abuse abaphumi kwi-relationships, abaphumi noba ngabethwa athini abaphumi bahlala apha. Then i-excuse lokuqala kuba uhlelela abantwana bami sinabantwana bayi-4 nalo tata, so manje ngizonibetha niphume nizophuma ndiye nabantwana bayi-4. Kanti eyona nto endike ndayithola into yoba it's not true. Into enanidibene ngayo notata luthando. Uma esekubetha uthando alusekho.
Mangasekho usahlaleleni.
So usahlaleleni mongekho uthando. Uhlelela abantwana bazokhula bebukelelwe ukuhlukumezeka kwakho, then nabo bawukwenza ngaphambili bayithola into ngathi into right. So yona into right usendikhathele uphume kulo relationship.
And also I think abuse is not only physical.
Psychological, mental, emotional, sexual.
Yes. Uphuma emsebenzini ubaba, omama akasebenzi nabantwana, you don't support your family financially, but you expect ukuthi uma ubuya uthole 7 colors. That's also part of abuse.
Hallelujah.
And then mawungiphakela ungilethela iplate yomdoko engenanyama ngiyayikhahlela mara angitheli grocery. That is also part of abuse. So omama sicela nabo nabantwana baziqaphele into ezinjalo. It's happening. It's not only about physical. Abanye baba abashayi but baya abuse abomama nabantwana ngengqondo. Yes.
For sure.
So you want to teach women that they could know there is life after abuse, as umfundisi sekachi.
Yes.
There is help out there. There are social workers. You can go there. You can get help.
Yes.
Ungahlali ngoba ihlelela abantwana angisebenzi ngizoyapi, because omnye mama bayimabusa angina family ngizoyapi. But get out there, get help. Come to us, we'll help you.
For sure. Thank you so much, men of God. Manje, ama contact details wenu singathola kuphi online mhlawumbe, or maybe if we have any inquiries or questions regarding imatches obiyenzakala nge-19th ka-August.
Okay, singashare ama number yethu.
Please do share your numbers.
Okay. Yami number as Reverend Magalela is 072 628 4177. Yes, you can get me on WhatsApp. You can get me on socials. Yes.
Reverend Beja. Number 083 4934 751.
Thank you, Reverend. Yebo.
General number 083 607 4555. ziyakhipha ke napha ku TikTok.
Yebo.
Sizawutrenda
wena
ukuthi mabaze bezobona abantu.
Yes, okay.
Bangahlala ekhoneni, ayithola kanjani ehlele ekhoneni.
Uyabona madoda nase Alexandra and surrounding areas, thank you so much for joining us namhlanje, and I hope and wish you all the best nge-program yenu and the march that's going to be happening. I hope ukuthi izobithinta abantu abaningi kakhulu. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
A true reflection of my community, my culture. This way is Kanto, Iringas. In all the avenues, I am the voice of the community. Alex FM, 89.1. Elevate your mind.
This is what you can expect. We spotlight Sethu Sanamhlanje on The Real Deal.
The Real Deal.
Mk.Magalela is our artist of the day namhlanje kwi spotlight, and umbuzo ngikubuza wona is ukuthi, is it true or false that Mk.Magela's real name is Mdumisenzi Nzimande? Let me know on WhatsApp.